Hi crafties, it's April with Lilac Peaches Handmade, and we're back with a super cute cherry tag that's perfect for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I began by gluing down my smallest elements first using Barely Art's Precision Craft Glue. I added hot glue to my foamies to make sure it really adheres to the sequin glitter paper. I also glued together the top pieces of my cherry element as I'm going to be layering the offsets behind it with foamies to create dimension. Now I'm ready to start adding my foamies behind each layer to create that dimension I was talking about. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this step for the next 3 layers. It's so important to remember to add some hot glue to the foam tape pieces that are going to be adhered to any sequin or glitter paper. Now that our tag is complete, we're going to go ahead and add some twine through the hole on the top. Adding twine makes it easier to attach the tag to any basket or gift bag that you'd like. The end result is a beautiful cherry themed gift tag that'll make personalizing your gift that much more thoughtful. As usual, this project is available in my Design Space profile, free for Cricut Access members. Happy crafting, friends!